Question 1. The SML electrode code suffix A1 indicates that which of the following alloys have been added? Answer: molybdenum. Question 2. When Gu, which of the following binary gas blends is most commonly employed for carbon steel? Answer: argon plus carbon dioxide. Question 3. Which of the following is a quick way to confirm the root width of a 3G joint when SMA-W? Answer: electrode core. Question 4. What is the acetylene neutral flame temperature? Answer: 5,600 degrees Fahrenheit or 3,090 degrees Celsius. Question 5. Which of the following best describes which positions the air carbon arc gouging CACA process can be employed? Answer: all positions. Question 6. Which of the following best describes the shrink or contraction difference between steel and gray cast iron when cooling? Answer: steel shrinks or contracts more. Question 7. Which of the following is a common problem with straight shank twist drills? Answer: drill slippage, meaning it stops rotating. Question 8. Which of the following is a potential cause of stubbing when GMA? Answer: voltage is too low for the wire feed rate. Question 9. Given the FCAU electrode code E70T-1C, what would the C represent? Answer: compatible shielding gas. Question 10. Which of the following SMA-W electrodes requires a relative humidity of 20 to 70% moisture? Answer: EXX10. Question 11. When FCU or 1F fillet weld, which of the following would best describe the appropriate travel angle or electrode inclination for the fill passes after the root pass? Answer: 0 to 20 degrees backhand or pull. Question 12. Which of the following GMO polarities provides the deepest penetration? Answer: DCP. Question 13. When viewing the oil level of a machine through a bullseye sight glass, which of the following best describes when oil should be added? Answer: when the oil level drops below the center point of the sight glass. Question 14. Care must be taken when selecting an iron worker due to the difference between the metric and US ton. How much does a metric ton equal in pounds? Answer: 2,200 pounds. Question 15. When GMAW, a change in electrode or gun inclination, has what effect on the weld? Answer: it changes the penetration of the weld. Question 16. Where on the welding symbol can information on the weld type, location, and dimensions be found? Answer: reference line. Question 17. At what point should a small bead on gray cast iron be peened to reduce stress in the part and weld? Answer: when the weld is 540 degrees Celsius or 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Question 18. When gas tungsten arc welding GAW, which of the following is the primary alloy employed with ER 5356? Answer: magnesium Mg. Question 19. Which of the following is characteristic of GMW short circuit transfer using carbon dioxide CO2? Answer: large amounts of spatter. Question 20. Which of the following best explains why air carbon arc cutting SAC-A is not commonly employed to cut material to length? Answer: poor cut edge quality or ragged edges.